Good morning guys, in front of me is DOOGEE S100 and let me show you how to clear browsing data. First of all, open Chrome, then tap on more icon and go to history. Okay, so there's no history yet. Let me quickly create some. So now let's tap on more again, go to history and select clear browsing data. Here you will find basic and advanced options. Just mark those information that you want to get rid of, then select time range and choose either last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks or all time. Click on clear data then, and that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.